I'm not gonna talk about my last job at all. Why?
It was because of the bleeding God only gave me and almost all of my gang members. Not only that, but she took away my disguise. Oh, for real, if I see her again, she's gonna wish she never gave us that beating.
Okay, I need to calm down before I go into rage mode again. But anyways, my next job will be at the Cheesecake Factory. And yes, Dark Bowser will be working with me at that place. Now to call him over.
I'm out of here because of what she did to some of my friends at Texas to Brazil.
Congratulations. For mentioning what we did to some of friends at Texas to Brazil, you're banned from every single Cheesecake Factory forever.
I agree with Bat Go Gamer. Get lost and never come back. That's right. Get lost and never come back.
No. I'm leaving because I'm the evil version of General Guy.
What? Are you kidding me? I have an evil clone. No, no, no. No, 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 no. This is not supposed to happen. First my nice clone, then my classic clone, and now my evil clone. Oh, you know what? I'm so kicking the trash out of my evil clone when I see him again because really, I'm not supposed to have any non-troublemaking clones out of myself because I'm alone. People seriously need to realize that.
But anyway, let's just move on from this and hope I don't have any more non-troublemaking clones out of myself.
You're both fired. Get out of this place right now. Don't ask why. Just go.